Assalamualaikum and good day. In this lesson, you will learn on how to create a simple student attendance recording system in C programming by using 2D array. Now, let's start with the programming. Integer row equal to 1. Let's say if you want to set the number of numbers of student, character student name row, and let's say 60 for the each character belongs to student's name. Another character for student ID, maximum character for student's ID is 10. Student ID, character status that represent the attendance level, attendance A, B, L, and M. So A represent attend, B absent, L late, and M medical. Character S for the status, and temporary. So the next step is we want to enter student's name and ID. Enter the status attendance. So here we're going to utilize for loopings, and therefore we need to declare a certain variable that will be used in looping. For I equal to 0, I is less than row, stand for numbers of students. Currently we set only one student. I plus plus for the increment. So in this example, we're going to use getS function for the string. Printf, enter name, getS, student name, semicolon. Right. So since we are using 2D array, so we need to set the indexing for student name that represent the indexing of I. The ID, getS, and student's ID, and don't forget to put the indexing for student's ID. Printf, attendance, L O M, scanf, status square bracket I. So since we are using a getS here, one function that we need to use is fflash std in. Right. So another thing that we need to concern here is getS is another function that are calls from the other library, is from string library. So here we need to add another library that we call as a string.h. So try to run a program. So no error. So let's say we want to change number of students to run the program. Attendance for the second student. Nice. So this is for the information user key in. We need to use another for here in order to display the output. For I equal to 0, I is less as number of student, which is row, I plus plus. Right? So here we're going to have a formatting. Before that, we need to have some header. /t represent the tab formatting. /n for the new line. So inside the for here, with F %d for the numbering, /t for tab ones. This is the distance between the numbering and also the ID. %s represent the ID. /t/d %s again the name. /t/t last one %s for the attendance, comma. Make sure that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parameter that we need to set the identifier in this output. I plus 1. So because I is starting from 0, we're going to have the numbering for this one is starting from number 1. Student ID square bracket I indexing 0. Index 0 for the first loop. Student name square bracket I, and the last one status square bracket I also. So we try to compile the program. Alright, so we have some output here. We try to key in the information. Then for the first student, let's say we key in for the second student Ali with his ID, and this student is absent. So let's say here we have the header of the output, and then we have some output here, but this one is not correctly formatted. So we're gonna see some of the formatting inside this code, right? So we're gonna see there is some formatting for new line that we need to put here, /n, /n, alright. Then we try to run the output. Let's see, summary for the first student, ID, attend, Ali for the second student, attend as well. So this is example of the output that we have here. So we have some idea here on how we can create a simple student attendance recording system by using 2D array. So let's say we have a minor error here for the first record. %s. Let's say we want to change this one into %d. So as we can see here, we don't use these two variables, so we can delete these two variable. %s. Alright. So this is an example on how you can create a programming, especially for the student attendance using 2D array with for loops. So in the next lesson, we're going to learn how we can create a program, a 2D array, and we're going to pass this 2D array value to the other function. Enjoy the coding.